Hello friends, welcome back. So thank you for so much for your motivation and your love to subscribe the channel and also like. So in this series we will discuss about the quick publication journal. So this is the Technopress. This is the very reputed platform to publish your research paper and manuscript. The journal title is the Smart Structure and System and International Journal. This is the journal title. So in this journal, this is the all about the journal. So this is the detail of the editor-in-chief, and these are the detail of editor-in-chief and impact factor of this journal. You can see here, this is the impact factor 3.6. And one more important thing about this journal, this is the Scopus Index journal, and the ISSN number of this journal is this is the print version ISSN number, and this is the online online ISSN number, and the publication time of this journal monthly basis. So you can publish your research paper on monthly basis in the Scopus Index journal and with the reputed journal and also the good impact factor journal. So let's explore this journal in detail. So this is the very important thing about the Scopus Index journal, and your research paper will get published within a 1 month. Now about the deep dive about this journal, so just aim and scope, click on the aim and scope. So what types of the topics covered by this journal, you can see here. So these are the details of this journal and about the topics, what types of the topics covered by this journal. So you can see here, this is the sensors, actuators, materials, devices, informatics, networking, structural, health monitoring and control, diagnosis, and life cycle engineering, planning, design, maintenance, renewal and related areas. So these type of the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under these titles and aim and scope, then you can publish your research paper in this reputed journal and quick publication journal, because this journal is the Scopus Index journal and also published on monthly basis. Now about the editorial board member, just click on this. So you can see about the editorial board member, table of content, what types of the papers already published. So just click on this, so you will get the detail about the journal published articles. So these are the detail about the published articles. So you can see here, these are the published article, all this. So if you want to more about this journal, so just click any type of the issues or volume number. So like this, we are click on this particular thing. So you can see here, these are the published article in this journal. So now you can explore. So this is the exploration of the, if you want to explore in 2019, so then we can also, and also the May 2020. So you will get the content and research article that published with the this journal in the month of May 2020. So these type of the topics and research paper and article published in this journal. So you can also see the about the abstract. So just click on the abstract. So you will be able to find out about the abstract, what types of the things covered by this journal. So these are the kind of full authentication about this journal, DOI number and each and everything are mentioned. So if you want to explore, because one more important thing about this journal, this is the open access journal, so you can also download and you can also access the full published article like this, full text also available. So the size of the file in this is the already mentioned. You can also download the research paper and published article for your research paper as a reference. So these are the type of the content covered by this journal. So this is the very important thing to know. So now next, most important about the subscription, you can also know about the subscription. Now guide to author, so just click on the guide to author, because this is the very important thing in each and every journal. Being a author, we have to follow the author's guidelines. So in this particular section you will find out the how we will prepare our manuscript and research paper, what are the guidelines should be followed or not. So these all the things are mentioned here. And one more important thing, this is the mail ID already given. If you want to ask any type of the question, if you are having any questions or doubt, then you can directly mail to the editor. So definitely they will provide or they will revert back to you within 24 to 48 hours. So your query will get resolved. and these are the submission of the paper. So you can also directly submit your research paper with through this link, and also you can directly send the message. And all the things are given here: PDF or latex formats, what types of the format we should follow. So each and every thing are given. Now preparation of the manuscript, how we will prepare our research paper. So all the general guidelines are available here. So the abstract title should be there. So what are the guidelines about the title and abstract should be 100 to 250 words. So as we normally followed this guideline, so follow this section to prepare your research paper, and how we will draw the diagrams and tables and figures. So all the supports are given here, and full support are given here, and full access website also given here. So you can refer this type of the guidelines. So you can prepare your research paper easily. So now these are the review section, proof section, copyrights form. So all the things are mentioned before publishing your research paper. And most important thing about the publication fees. So is there free, whether it is free or not, so you can understand in this section. So this is all about the fees. So as per they have already mentioned, except for open access article, there is no page charges or article processing fees. So there is no publication fees except open access. So it's up to you whether you are choosing open access, then you have to pay the fee. Otherwise there is no fees to publish your article in this quickly publication journal, and also Scopus Index journal and reputed journal. So I suggest to all of you, if your research area comes under this titles and topics, then you have to explore this journal at your level also, and then after satisfaction you need to submit, you need to prepare your research paper accordingly, and then finally submit to the publication. So this is the free of cost. You can publish your research paper freely in this Scopus Index journal and on the monthly basis publication journal. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video support towards your research area, then do like, and also hit on the subscribe button, and also share with your friends, so they will also get benefited for their research paper, because it's my mission and vision to support each and every researcher to publish their research paper freely and quickly publication UGC approved journal, SCI Scopus Index journal. So join with us by hitting on the subscribe button. So friends, thank you for watching this video.